Hello friends. I hope you all are doing good. And today in this video we will discuss about dense rank function. In previous video we have discussed rank function and today we will discuss more about dense rank function. So we have seen that to rank rows in SQL we can use rank function. Similarly to rank rows in SQL we can also use dense rank function. And the difference lies in the way these functions handle the same value. As we learned in previous video that rank function gives the same rank to records with the same value and leaves a gap to account for these records. In contrast, dense rank function doesn't leave a gap, and that's the only difference between rank function and dense rank. This is about rank function. We have seen this that these assigns a rank to each row in a data set, and these are useful for reporting leaderboards and for data analysis. And these are mainly three rank functions: rank, dense rank, and row number. We have already discussed rank function, and today we are discussing dense rank. In another video we will discuss about row number. So dense rank is a window function that assigns a row rank to each row in partition with no gaps in the ranking value. So this will be more clearer to you when we discuss the example in SQL Management Studio. And if two or more rows in the same partition have same values, they receive the same rank. And this is true for even rank function. And the next row has a rank increment by 1. However, when we were discussing rank function, the next row was skipping that rank. And unlike the rank function, the rank function always generates consecutive rank value. It doesn't skip any rank, whereas rank skips a rank which are assigned to the row which are having same value. So now let's see how the syntax is there for dense rank. So dense rank is included in the select statement with the following syntax, and this is the syntax like dense rank over and then order by column, either it may be ascending or descending. So for example, if I have to write a query to select the employee ID and salary, and also adding a new column for ranks, this is how we can write the query: select employee ID, salary, and dense rank over order by salary descending. And this is the name of the additional column which we are generating as rank. We have given as salary rank and from employees. So if we see the output from this particular query, we have three column, and one will be employee ID, second will be salary, and third column will have the new name salary rank, and this will contain ranks as per the salary. And how it handle ties, it assigns the same rank but without gap. So like in previous video we discussed that, for example, there are three employees in a company, and the first two employees are having a salary of 10,000, third person is having a salary of say 9,000. Then as per rank function, what we were getting rank 1 and 1 for both first two employees, but for third employee who is having 9,000 rupees as this as his salary, he was getting their rank as 3. However, if we use dense rank for same problem, we will see that the third employee will get second rank, because this dense rank doesn't skip any rank, it provides consecutive ranks. Similarly, we can have dense rank within different group. So this is the syntax if we have to use partition by. And in this syntax, the partition by class divides the result set into partition. So we have discussed in previous video that there are many employees in our company. There is a table, and in that table there are certain employees with junior seniority, certain employees with mid seniority level, then certain employees with higher seniority. So we can partition that in terms of like we will assign ranks only for first for like junior employees, then for medium employees, then for high seniority employees. So this is not mandatory, however. If we need we need to use partition by, we can use it, and if we don't need to use partition by, we can skip it. However, this order by is essential because anyhow we need that column over which we are assigning the rank to each row. So in this syntax, the partition by clause divides the result set into partitions. The order by specifies the order of rows in each partition. The dense rank function is applied to the rows in the specified order of each partition. It resets the rank value when the partition boundary is crossed. So whenever for example, when we have crossed that junior level employees, and we are now seeing the rank for say mid seniority, so it will reset the rank value, and again for that mid senior employees the rank will start from 1. So now let's see the example in SQL Management Studio. So, so this is the table that we have created. We are using the same example to understand this, and this is the table. This is the table that we were discussing even for rank function, and the same table we will utilize for understanding dense rank, and even we will understand row number from this same table, so that you get the differences. What is the difference between rank, dense rank, and row number? And this is how we have inserted the values into this table. Now let's understand this dense rank. So we will write our query like this. We want in the final output select first name, then we want last name, then we want level, then we want years experience. So these are the column which are already present in this table, and we want to introduce one additional column with name rank, and this is how we will write our query: dense rank, then over, then order by, and we want this is the years experience, and this will be in the descending order because the one with the highest year of experience should be ranked 1. That's why we are using descending here. And from, and the name of the table was employees. You can also validate it so that spelling are same, so spelling is correct, employees. So now if you execute this query, there is some syntax error that it is showing. Dense rank, yes, there is a syntax error. You need to write the quotation, a double parenthesis here. So having an understanding of correct syntax is very important, otherwise there will be error and you will not be able to execute the query. So if I execute this query, again some syntax error is showing. So let me see why it is. So again there is a spelling issue. Years should be there because in our table the name of the column is years underscore experience. So now this query is perfectly correct, and if we execute this query, this is the output that we will see. And if you see, there is no column name as we have not given any alias or table column name. So let me give the name of this column as rank, and now if you execute this query, you can see that this rank is coming as the column name. And now you can see the difference between rank and dense rank. So see, the person with the 8 years of experience is getting first rank, then the person with 5 years of experience is getting second rank, and then there are two employees or developers with 4 years of experience. They are getting same rank, 3. Now till this point there is no difference between rank and dense rank. Even in rank function we will get same rank. However, if we go to another employee with 3 years of experience, you can see that this person is getting fourth rank, and this is the difference between rank and dense rank function. Dense rank doesn't skip any rank, and it provides consecutive ranks. For example, 1, 2, 3, although 3 is repeated twice, here we can see 4. However, if we were using rank function, then this employee would have gotten 5th rank. And to understand this, we can change our query even right now. So let me remove dense and just use rank. So you can see this employee is not getting 4th rank, but he is getting 5th rank. So this is very crucial difference between rank and dense rank. So let me write again dense rank and execute this query. Now we will use another scenario where we can use partition by or understand the importance of partition by. So let me copy the same query because everything will remain same except that partition will be added. So if you see, there are levels for each employee, and certain employees are in senior level, some are in mid level, some are in senior level, some are in junior level. So if we do partition by level, you will see that the partitions will get created for these levels, and ranks will be assigned within these partitions. So when you move to another partition, say from junior to senior or mid level, you will see that rank got restart from 1. So if I execute this query, this is the output that these are grouped into juniors. So all the junior employees are grouped at one place, and you can see that ranks is like 1, 2, and 3 again. Dense rank is not skipping any rank. We can see that this particular employee is getting 3rd rank. However, if we have used rank function instead of dense rank, this particular employee would have gotten 4th rank. And in next partition, which is mid level, if we see, the rank is restarting from 1st. So this is basically the essential difference between using partition by and not using partition by. In partition by, ranks are assigned within these groups or within these partitions, and when we reach next partition, ranks are assigned from 1st rank. So this is how the dense rank function. And just to see you how rank would have given the result, just execute this, removing dense, and you can see that in junior, 3rd rank is skipped. We are just getting 4th rank. And if we add dense here, then you will see that no rank is being skipped, and consecutive ranks are assigned. So guys, this is about rank, dense rank. We have in this video we have discussed in detail about dense rank. I hope you get the clarity that how rank and dense rank are different, and I have used same example so that you don't have any confusion and understand the difference between rank and dense rank very clearly. In our next video, we will discuss another very important rank function, which is raw number. It is again very simple if you have understood about these videos where we discussed about rank function and dense rank. In case you are having any confusion, any doubt in any of the part that we have discussed in about rank function, please feel free to ask in the comment section. And also, if you are getting doubt or you want any video on any particular SQL topic, you can also leave that comment in the comment section so that I can make video on that particular topic in which you require more clarity. So we will meet you in the next video. Thank you, friends.